it again. Wow.
Look. Okay, hey guys. Hey, where's Mama?
Oh wait, you were supposed to say Mama.
Yeah. Hey, where's Mama? Mama! Mama!
Hey guys.
Welcome back to the dramatic team. It's Jazz Fingers.
Spirit fingers. What did you call it?
Jazz Fingers.
No, it's spirit fingers.
It's Jazz Fingers.
Spirit fingers.
Shawty gotta go low because this camera's too low.
Shawty, you just called me Shawty.
Shawty go low.
Shawty gotta go low. So today, what are we doing, Jordan? Tell them.
We're doing Volcano.
Yes, so we are doing a volcano with
Luna.
Luna. Say hi. Say hi.
Hamburger, cheeseburger, Big Mac, a Whopper. Hamburger, cheeseburger, Big Mac, a Whopper. Hamburger, cheeseburger, Big Mac, a Whopper.
That's Jordan. Coming through. Wait,
So,
not the shoes in the back.
not the shoes in the back. This is the cleaning mom. Yeah, your mom.
Okay, so we are going to make a volcano using 3 easy ingredients that are very what is the word?
Important, but
No, not important. It's very affordable. There you go. That's the word.
I got popcorn.
They're very affordable, easy ingredients that you can do at your house.
So those are the ingredients while I oofed. But yeah, let's do it. Oh, and also tell a parent because it might get a little messy.
We're also going to need a water bottle, and you're going to need to cut it. So that's going to be step number 1.
So let's get to that. Popcorn noise is gone. Don't worry.
First empty it, and then, yes. Okay, so I'm just going to cut about this much. Okay, water bottle, cut.
It won't fix. It's pink.
Okay, so this is what we're going to use.
It's food dye, so next time I eat pancakes, it's gonna be blue or green. Yeah. Food dye. Yeah.
Step number 2, add the food coloring. Which color?
Oh, blue. We need that blue.
Okay, so I'll let you add the drops.
Fun zone.
This is where it becomes the volcano.
Yay!
So here, I also don't remember if you used 1 or 2 Alka-Seltzers, but once again, I think
Did
it's...
you see that? She like swinged at me.
Okay, so should we do...
Huh? Oh, hi.
Should we do 1 or 2? I think it just like... If you do 2, there's gonna be more like
2!
explosion.
I need that explosion.
Okay, so...
Oh, and if you didn't realize, look at my shirt. I got Looney Tunes. Both of them at the same time?
Yes. Let's see what... Oh, you can kind of see it happening already. You guys see the bubbling?
Oh, God.
It's starting to bubble up like really slow. I wonder if you were supposed to add water too. Thank you.
It's going fast. You should have just read the instructions.
I know.
Call for water.
It did?
Yeah, a cup of water.
Oh, look at that. I said that. I was like, wait a minute. I think it's supposed to have. Okay.
Oh, look at that coloring.
I feel like you can't really see it. Like,
It's because you're supposed to add the water first, and then the oil, and then the Alka-Seltzer.
see,
So
I
that
knew I did something
So that
wrong.
the water will sit on the bottom, and the Alka-Seltzer will mix it all.
So we have to do it again?
We will do it again.
We made a mistake, but it is still pretty cool.
So this is it, guys. This is the volcano.
Oh, you could.
It's kind of turning into a tornado. You see those spins in there? Those...
Okay, so we have to restart, but that's a pretty good start. It's definitely cool.
Oh, that color. Oh my gosh, you can't really see the color in the camera, but this color is actually really cool. Like,
We made a good start. It's leaking on me.
okay, guys, we will try again the right way.
Try it. So, let me just fix this. Let me just see this. So we made an oopsie. We have to restart again, but yeah. We're using the same cup. I don't know, is that a good idea, but apparently it might be. Our dad is the brains in this house.
He did read the directions, and it did call for water. So, yeah.
He's still the big brains in our house. No, don't do that. This is yummy. Oh yeah, I had ring pop. Nothing actually went in my mouth. That's gross.
Round 2.
At the food coloring.
We are adding food. Luna. We are adding the food coloring. We added the water. Sorry, I forgot to say that part. Added the water. Here comes the food coloring. Jordan, you like pretty much squeezed the whole bottle in there.
I'm strong.
I'm strong.
I'm gonna try to make that color again.
No, you're not going to because you squeezed a lot of blue.
There. This is
So
I'm Hulk. I didn't know my abilities.
so Luna wants a turn.
Let me open it.
Yeah, open it for her, please.
So Luna, you gotta squeeze. Not like me though.
Okay, put it in there, please.
Squeeze. Squeeze.
Squeeze it.
Good job.
There we go.
Okay.
Okay, squeeze it. Squeeze. There we. Okay. Enough. Luna. Oh my goodness! Look at that shoe. Okay, so both of you guys almost finished the bottle. Okay. Hold it. Okay, guys. Luna is recording. Look, you have to see right there. Okay, hold it. Don't drop it. Okay. Tell me if she moves, Jordan. You're in charge of that. So here we go with
She's
the oil.
moving. Wait, Luna. Okay.
Right there.
Yeah. Just don't move.
Oil. Okay. Alright, so here is the water and the oil. You can see the separation because water and oil separate. And Jordan is getting the Alka-Seltzer. Luna puts one in, Jordan puts one in.
2, 1, drop!
Here we go. Why is it so blurry? I can't get it to focus.
It's going fast. Kung Fu Panda.
And here we go. Here's your volcano, guys. It's exploding.
It's coming up!
Oh no! Oh no! I was not! Oh no! Is it? Oh no! It's gonna spin! prepared for this. I did not expect that to happen.
That's smoke.
Oh, that's so funny.
It's going down. It's going down. So, okay, so this is the end of the video.
That was our little science, I guess.
Mess. You got what you wanted, a little volcano, a little. So you got what you wanted. It was a mess for us, but I hope it was an enjoyment for you. It was both for us. But yeah, that was the end. Yeah. Say the last words.
Thank you guys for watching.
Don't forget to like. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And yeah, see you next video. Bye guys.